Does your daily routine feel like a circus act? Juggling stress, deadlines, and endless to-dos? What if I told you there's a game-changing life hack that doesn't involve a sketchy app or a juice cleanse? It's yoga. In this video, I'll show you the top 7 reasons why daily yoga is the secret weapon every busy professional needs. Let's dive in. Let's face it, stress is practically a mandatory part of any job description these days, right? It's almost as if being constantly on edge is just part of the deal. But what if there was a way to hit the reset button? Yoga isn't just about stretching into pretzel-like shapes. It's a powerful tool for recalibrating your nervous system. By consciously focusing on your breath and mindful movement, you're actively pulling your mind away from the daily grind and the chaos of work. This simple act signals your body to relax, easing tension and promoting a sense of calm. Think of each yoga session as running a much-needed antivirus scan on your brain, systematically clearing out the mental clutter that accumulates throughout the day. Over time, you'll find yourself responding to stressful situations with a newfound sense of calm and composure, instead of the usual knee-jerk reaction of panic and overwhelm. That's right. Even Brenda's passive-aggressive emails and urgent requests won't faze you anymore. Flexibility isn't just about those impressive party tricks you see. It's not about being able to bend over backwards just to show off. It's profoundly about undoing the damage that modern desk life inflicts on our bodies. We spend countless hours hunched over computers, our posture suffering, our muscles tightening. Daily yoga practice gently lengthens those tight, constricted muscles, especially focusing on your hips. These hip flexors often bear the brunt of our sedentary lifestyles. And let's not forget the hamstrings, which become stiff from prolonged sitting, and the shoulders, which round forward from typing. Poses like downward dog, a cornerstone of yoga, and lunges, a dynamic and versatile movement, gently work to restore your body's natural, God-given range of motion, allowing you to move with greater freedom and ease. Over time, with consistent practice, you'll find yourself moving with more ease, more grace, and significantly less pain. Tying your shoes, something that might have once felt like a chore, or reaching for that item on the top shelf that always seemed just out of reach? No problem at all. You're not just getting flexible in the superficial sense. You're reclaiming the comfort and freedom that your body was always meant to possess. That hunched-over, desk-bound body? Be gone, banished by the power of mindful movement. Your brain is your biggest asset, but constant multitasking leaves it foggy. Yoga trains your focus. Balancing poses demand total presence. This mental workout sharpens concentration and quiets the noise. You'll think clearer, stay on task, and spark new ideas. Yoga stretches your body and supercharges your mind. Forget that third cup of coffee. Yoga is your new energy boost. Moving and breathing deeply sends fresh oxygen everywhere, waking up your whole system. Invigorating poses and breathing techniques build real, sustainable energy. No jitters, no crash, just natural vitality. You'll power through your day, alert and refreshed. Who needs energy drinks when you've got yoga? Struggling to sleep? Yoga can help you finally power down. Gentle evening routines shift your body from stress mode to rest mode. Calming poses and mindful breathing melt away tension and anxiety. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up truly refreshed. Sweet dreams, no pillow wrestling required. Years of hunching over screens wreck your posture and your comfort. Yoga retrains your body to stand tall and sit straight. Poses strengthen your core and open your chest, undoing the desk slump. Over time, good posture becomes your default. You'll look confident, feel better, and even breathe easier. Mom would be proud. You can't afford to get sick and fall behind. Yoga boosts your immune system by improving circulation and lymph flow. Twists and inversions help your body flush out toxins and fight germs. Plus, less stress means stronger immunity. Daily yoga is like a meeting with your internal security team. Stay healthy, stay ahead. There you have it. A glimpse into the transformative power of yoga. 7 powerful reasons to make yoga part of your daily routine. These aren't just fleeting advantages, they're lasting improvements to your overall well-being. From increased flexibility to reduced stress, the benefits are truly remarkable and accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. You don't need an hour. Start with just a few minutes. Even a short session can make a significant difference in your day. Think of it as a mini reset, a chance to center yourself and prepare for whatever lies ahead. Every little bit counts. Notice how you handle stress and how yoga can be your anchor in the storm. It's a tool to navigate challenging situations with greater ease and composure. Sleep. and how a gentle yoga practice can pave the way for a more restful night. Say goodbye to tossing and turning, and hello to deep, restorative sleep. And even sit at your desk. Incorporate simple stretches and mindful breathing into your workday to improve your posture and reduce tension. This is your chance to invest in yourself, to prioritize your health and happiness. It's an investment that pays dividends in every aspect of your life, and thrive at work and in life. Yoga isn't just about physical fitness. It's about cultivating a mindset of resilience, focus, and well-being that will empower you to achieve your goals. Try it for a week and see the difference. Commit to a short daily practice and observe the positive changes in your body, mind, and spirit. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and join our community of wellness enthusiasts. And let me know your favorite benefit in the comments. Share your experiences and inspire others to embark on their own yoga journey. Take a deep breath. You've got this. Embrace the present moment and trust in your ability to create a healthier, happier you.